Your treasured hand knits will last a lifetime with a little care. Always store your knitwear softly folded and flat in a dark and dry place. Begin by folding the arms in. Then the sides, and then in half. Try to make them all the same size so that they fit neatly in a drawer or cupboard. If you're storing hand knits for a while, make sure that they're clean and completely dry. Protect them from dust, moisture and moths by placing them in a plastic box or a storage bag. Fold them lightly and avoid packing them in too tightly to allow the fibres to keep their shape.